The elegant Grand Hotel Toplice, on the shore of Lake Bled, is one of the most acclaimed hotels in Bled. It delights guests with its refined comfort, traditional style, and the harmony of its carefully designed interior. The classical hotel has hosted numerous famous guests. The water in its elegant swimming pool is drawn directly from a thermal spring and benefits the internal organs and nervous systems of the body. Guests may also enjoy the saunas, solarium and gymnasium, while their physical, spiritual and emotional well-being are catered for at the Louisa Studio Beauty and Massage Parlour. The hotel also has a private Lido. Both hotel restaurants, the Grand and the Juliana, serve exquisite dishes as well as superb Slovenian wines. The Grand Hotel Toplice is a popular venue for important events, including governmental and business meetings.